My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I can tell you everything you need to know in 5 minutes. Why? I've been doing this for 50 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters in both the audit and the collection division. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. You can look at my cast of characters and all my TV interviews. I've been on ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox Business. You can just look at them all at 777irs.com. I do these videos for 3 reasons, so you don't get ripped off. I give you good insider information from IRS. Other people can't. They're reading from scripts. They think they know what they're doing. They don't. When you work at IRS, you kind of know who knows what they're doing. And then lastly, I educate you. So today what I want to talk to you about, if you're going through an IRS audit and you need audit representation and you've got skeletons in your closet, it just doesn't make any sense not to hire former IRS agents. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back. I guess I am. But here's what you got to understand. As a former agent and my whole team of agents, we were on the other end of this, so we know how IRS is going to react with skeletons. We understand what defenses you use when you have skeletons. We understand the whole system if you have skeletons, and we know how to try to negate or trying to go ahead and get to a settlement a lot quicker than most. First question I ask people is when they're going through an IRS audit. First question is, how strong are your records? And they'll say, well, what do you mean how strong? You know what I mean. How strong are your records? And then I say, second question, do you have any skeletons? And they go, As soon as I hear, that means yes, they got skeletons. So what can happen if you have skeletons? Well, if you can, and they're deep, IRS can maybe look at maybe going criminally on the case, but most of the time that isn't the case. Let's just get that, but yes, I have to say that. But if they are, they're going to expand the audit to go to maybe 2 or 3 years. Know that they can do that. A lot of people that have skeletons or don't have records, a lot of times you can reconstruct those tax returns and make up for the lack of information that's there. For those of you who've taken a few more deductions than you needed to, a lot of times being a former IRS agent, we know how to get rid of that case and say, hey, let's go ahead and make a settlement. We know how far to push the envelope. We know how far not to push the envelope. Bottom line is, unless you've worked hundreds or thousands of these cases, you're not going to get the best result. You're just not. Because we've done this so many times. We understand the teaching, the insider information. We understand the boundaries, the appellate process, and the negotiation techniques. We know how to go ahead and get your case closed a lot more efficient, a lot quicker, and for the lowest possible dollar given your situations. I'm simply not going to say anymore. If this video hasn't convinced you that you should use any former IRS agent, especially in the audit division, you shouldn't even be watching this video, because it should make common sense to you. So if you're going through an IRS audit, you want to hire a former IRS agent who was an auditor for the audit division. Bottom line. Check our staff. We have them. If this information was good, go ahead, give me a subscription. By the way, we're available for free consultations. We'll go over your case, tell you what we think, and go from there. Thank you for the subscription, and thank you.